Hello guys, welcome to Patel Sir English classes. Now I have started some new one word substitution which are very important for competitive English, general English and for spoken English. Now attend to what I say. Point number 41. Custom of having many wives is called polygamy. अधिक पत्नी रखने की प्रथा. Next point 42. Woman who offers the use of her body for sexual intercourse to anyone who will pay for this is prostitution. Prostitute या prostitution कहते हैं. To examine one's own thoughts and feelings. To examine one's own thoughts and feelings is called introspection. Introspection, manan, chintan. Next point 44. A person who does not believe in any religion. A person who does not believe in any religion is called pagan. Right? Next, point number 45. A man of lax moral. A man of lax moral is called licentious. व्यभिचारी, उसका हिंदी अर्थ होगा व्यभिचारी. Am I right? Next point 46. A small enclosure for cattle, sheep, poultry, etc. is called pen. P-E-N. Pen means कलम भी होता है ना, और pen means बेड़ा भी होता है, जानवरों का बेड़ा, घेरा, enclosure. Next point 47. One who forcibly seizes control of a bus or an aircraft is called hijacker. Did you understand? See you. One who forcibly seizes control of a bus or an aircraft is called hijacker. Next 48. The act of killing one's wife. The act of killing one's wife is called exoricide. पत्नी का हत्यारा, उसका हिंदी अर्थ होगा. ठीक है, आगे देखिए 49. A government run by the nobles. A government run by the nobles is called aristocracy. ठीक है. Next point 50. Anything written in a letter after it is signed. Anything written in a letter after it is signed is called postscript. अभिलेख, अनुलेख भी कहते हैं उसको. Next point 51. A person who has no money to pay off his debts. A person who has no money to pay off his debts is called insolvent. I-N-S-O-L-V-E-N-T. Insolvent. Next 52 point. An entertainer who performs a difficult physical action is called acrobat. रस्सी पर जो करतब दिखाता है उसको एक्रोबैट कहते हैं, है ना हिंदी में. Next point 53. A government run by a single person. A government run by a single person is called autocracy. निरंकुश शासन. उसका हिंदी अर्थ होगा निरंकुश शासन, निरंकुश शासन। ए गवर्नमेंट रन बाय ए सिंगल पर्सन इज कॉल्ड autocracy, निरंकुश शासन। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट 54, ए वर्कमैन हु फिट्स एंड रिपेयर्स पाइप, ए वर्कमैन हु फिट्स एंड रिपेयर्स पाइप इज कॉल्ड प्लम्बर, राइट। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट 55, part of a church in which bells hang is called belfry, part of a church in which bells hang is called belfry। Next point 56, the custom of having more than one husband at the same time, the custom of having more than one husband at the same time is called polyandry, 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 polyandry। स्क्रीन पर आप देख रहे होंगे ना, उससे स्पेलिंग लिख सकते हैं, इसलिए मैं स्पेलिंग नहीं बोल रहा हूं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट 57, an extremely deep crack or opening in the ground, an extremely deep crack or opening in the ground is called chasm, darar। Am I right? See you next point 58, the study of ancient societies, the study of ancient societies is called archaeology, puratap archaeology। Next 59, person who brings in action at law, person who brings an action at law is called plaintiff, mudai। A person who brings an action at law is called plaintiff, जिसका हिंदी अर्थ होता है मुदई। The short remaining end of a cigarette, the short remaining end of a cigarette is called stub, stub, ठूठ या सिगरेट का बचा हुआ टुकड़ा, ठीक है। थैंक्स टू ऑल, ओके, गुड बाय।